All right, so summer, it's a wrap, pretty much. It's still a summer day right now. It's like mid-80s, but I'm thinking about the fall. You know, I'm not really showing it because I'm dressed like Ace Ventura right now, but I'm trying to get a couple summer fits off before the summer season ends. But you know, fall is super important. It's my favorite season, and it's when you can be the most fashionable, in my opinion. So there's like that 3 to 4 week gap where you're transitioning from summer to fall, and it's not like full-fledged fall warm clothing yet, and you got to have some transitional pieces, stuff that is lightweight. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys 5 different things that are perfect to wear for this time of year when summer's starting to wind down and it's getting a little bit cooler. There's a mix of menswear and streetwear in this video, so let's get into all of it right now. All right, so starting things off, we have a sporty track jacket, and I've had this for a while now, and I always break it out right around this time of year, and it's actually from Zara. It's very clean. It's a nice dark navy with white and red stripes. I doubt you can get this exact one anymore. Actually, I saw one that was similar, so I'll link you guys to this and like everything else in this video I can find, but it's not gonna be the same exact jacket. But look for something that is this style. Clean with like a sporty look where there's accents on the collar, on the sleeves. Sometimes you see them on the bottom of the jacket. And you can see this style from high-end designers and like streetwear brands and fast fashion companies. Like every single clothing brand out there that's doing men's clothing could drop something like this. So it's very universal. And I think this is a great addition to your closet for this time of year. This is probably the heaviest jacket on this list. Next up, you'd be crazy to think that there wasn't gonna be a plaid shirt on this list. Fall season, plaids, flannels, you know the deal. It's an absolute must. And this particular shirt I got from the Gap. I have no shame with buying stuff from the Gap. Who cares what the brand is? It doesn't even really matter. It's all about the look, the fit, and quality comes into play as well. But this shirt from the Gap has been great for me. It's a plaid Oxford, and this combination of the green and the blue is really cool in my opinion because you can wear it with a lot and it screams fall. Every time I wear this, someone asks about it. And it's not because it's some flashy piece or something people haven't seen very often. It's just a nice plaid shirt, and it fits me great. You gotta sell it. So that's really important how the shirt looks on you. If it doesn't look good on you, but you still like the pattern, pass on it. It has to be both. The pattern has to be nice looking and it has to fit you well. So keep that in mind when you're buying a shirt like this. This exact one isn't available anymore, but there's one that's similar. I'll link you guys to that you can get for like 35 bucks or something like that. And this is my go-to. I throw this on with a gray t-shirt, maybe some distressed denim and Chelsea boots. That is my go-to look in the fall, especially if I don't know if I want to wear streetwear or I don't want to dress up. Like, this is the perfect in-between outfit from streetwear and menswear. It gets a little bit of both, in my opinion, when you pair this with some like tapered distressed denim and Chelsea boots. All right, so even though we're transitioning into the fall, you can still wear a t-shirt sometimes. Me personally, I don't just wear a t-shirt with shorts, and I don't just wear jeans with a long sleeve. You can mix and match both. So you're obviously gonna find yourself wearing a t-shirt with denim. This t-shirt by itself is so perfect. This is the new heavyweight t-shirt from Everlane. On camera, it probably just looks like a straight up gray, but in hand, it gives off a greenish type vibe. And I think that's really cool. It's a unique color. It's way different than just a black or a white or a regular gray. The fit and construction of this t-shirt is excellent. If you want a premium tee for like $28, this is it, bro. I'm telling you, it's a good oversized fit. It's not too long. It's got a generous length on the sleeves. It's got a good sturdy collar, so you're not gonna get like a bacon strip collar if you wash this thing. But if you do, definitely wash it on cold and hang dry it. That's a tip. Every time you wash a t-shirt, that's how it has to be. And also, it's a heavyweight material, so it's definitely gonna be a thicker cotton. I'll link you guys to this down in the description. It just dropped. Okay, so switching gears a little bit. Not everything you see on this channel going forward is gonna be streetwear. I'm gonna try to incorporate a little bit of menswear in here. Something very important in the menswear world is having a nice pair of chinos. So these are a heavyweight tapered Chino. They're also from Everlane. This is not something you're gonna wear with some Jordan 1s. Well, I guess you could wear it with Jordan 1s if you wanted to. These are a little bit dressier than most pants that I show on this channel. And I kind of shy away from sharing menswear stuff because I'm like, all right, it's different. I don't know if people are gonna be into that or not. So leave a comment down below if you guys wanna see more menswear stuff. Clothing items that are more classy, dressier, and maybe a little bit more grown. I'd understand if you guys want me to just stick with sneakers and streetwear, but this is definitely an important part of my life because I can't always wear streetwear. There's gonna be a time when you're going to a restaurant or going to a party where you can't wear that graphic t-shirt, you can't wear jeans that have holes in them. So you gotta have some good alternatives that are still stylish. So these pants right here are definitely something that I like. Here's why. They have a tapered fit and they're somewhat cropped. So they're not as long as my normal pants are, but they still have that nice taper. They've got that crease in the front that a lot of chinos have. The design on the waist is actually what I like best because it has a dress pants type look and you don't have to wear a belt with these. So how I'm gonna style them is just with a t-shirt tucked in, no belt, pants rolled a little bit, and then like some white sneakers or something like that. I don't mind wearing white sneakers after Labor Day. That rule is stupid in my opinion. If you have a clean look and white sneakers are gonna complement it, go for it. So like I said, you're gonna find yourself rocking an outfit where it's a t-shirt and pants. This is gonna be a good stylish option for you if you don't wanna wear streetwear and you want a little bit more of a grown look. I wanted to include this because it is something that I'm gonna wear, and if tucking that t-shirt in is not your thing, then just untuck it. So these are definitely something that I'm gonna be wearing going into fall, and when it gets a little bit colder, I'll just wear a button up with it, like an all white Oxford or an all navy Oxford, something like that. But definitely check these out from Everlane, link down below. All right, so last up, we got a Windbreaker, and obviously this has a crazy floral print on it. This is from Coach. Coach is a designer brand that some of you may not know has men's clothing. Obviously, you see girls wearing Coach bags and Coach clothing. A lot of people overlook the Coach men's line. I really like this jacket. They have some stuff that goes on sale. It's pretty expensive. Like this was, I think, $300, but I got it on sale. This fall is gonna be all about the patterns and the prints, so I wanted to have this jacket on deck. The overall print on this jacket is what sold me. I think it's so cool. I'm gonna wear like my fitted black White Sox cap with this thing, black denim, and some kind of sneaker that has a red or green accent on it. So definitely get some different prints and patterns in your closet this fall. I'm telling you, you can buy something like this for cheap from like Topman or Zara or whatever. But if you wanna spend a little bit more and buy something that's gonna last, check out Coach because they do have some good items. There's one that's similar to this. It's pricey, but I'll link it for you guys down below. I love the fit of this jacket as well. And it's bold. I do like clean menswear stuff, but obviously I like patterns too. They're in my closet. It's all about the balance. What do you have that you can pull out for different situations? So that is gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up on this one if you wanna see more fall content. Let me know if you wanna see some more menswear included on this channel as well. Make sure you subscribe if you're new because this is when my channel really starts to pick up, when I'm showing a lot of fall and winter clothing. Summer's fun. Summer's fun, but you know, fall is where it's at as far as style goes. So you're gonna see a lot more content. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure you're following me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, all Eddie Win Kicks. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.